lot of people don't know me. Don't know me from Adam. 5 years ago, I had the world by the balls. But I gave it all up for love. Fellas, be careful, man. These females out here, bro. If your gut tells you it's not right, believe it's not right. If you think they fucking lying, you think they doing shit, believe it. I'm 45 years old. And I'm okay with being single today till the day I die. I've never been that way. I don't know why things happen the way they do. But never fight for something. If that bitch wants to leave, let her leave. Let her fucking go. Trust me, she's got somebody else. It's not worth it, man. They say be like water, right? Let it flow. I get it today. Well, at least I think I do. It sucks. But today I'm alright with it. Let them go, man. That's my message for today. Let them go. Y'all see me post on here. I'm fucking homeless. Well, I got a place to stay today, but I don't own shit. Everything I own's on a totally different island. The bishop of a church has stole shit from me. He stole my fucking truck. I got a $35,000 race quad over there with 10 hours on it. $250,000 worth of tools. Fuck, I don't even know what's left. Had a noose around the fucking ceiling, was gonna hang myself. Can't do that. Keep plugging along, baby. Keep plugging along. If people show you who they are, believe them. Just believe them, bro. Sending love and light to all. I love you all. Don't give up. Don't ever give up.